Hello everyone, welcome to Playwright. Today's topic is managing browser resource safely. If a browser resource are not managed correctly, test may leak memory, leave the browsers open and fail randomly. Let's see how to manage resources safely. In Playwright, resources include Playwright engine, browser, context, and page. These objects consume memory and system resources. If they are not closed properly, browsers may remain running in the background, memory usage increases, and CI execution become unstable. The correct approach is to close in reverse order of creation, which means close the page first, close context, close the browser, and dispose Playwright. This ensures a clean shutdown and prevents resource leaks. Using structured disposal can guarantee cleanup even if an exception occurs. Here in the sample script, Playwright is created first using playwright.createAsync method, which allocates the automation engine. Next, the browser is launched using the launch async method, which starts a real browser process using system resources. After the test finishes, I close the context. Here, if you see, I close the context using the context.close async method, which releases the session memory and cookies. Next, I close the browser using browser.close async method, which terminates the browser process completely. So I have closed in the reverse order. First, I close the context, then I close the browser. So we should close in reverse order. Because we are using structured cleanup, resources are released safely and no background browsers remain. So I will run the sample script, then you will see the difference. First, we are creating and closing in reverse order. If you see, first browser is created, but last browser is closed. Context is created second, but context is closed before the browser. First, context will be closed and the browser is closed. So I will close the application. We were able to close the browser safely. Always release resources properly. Safe cleanup makes automation stable and CI friendly. First, create in order, then close in the reverse order. Close in the reverse order.